Right now, I am going to show you how to turn off the main water to your home. So right now, I am down in the utility room. We got the furnace over here. We got the water heater. What you want to look for is a copper pipe that's coming through the floor, or maybe the wall. It's coming into the home. So there in the back, you can see a copper pipe coming in through the ground. And then it does have a valve right there. I could turn the water off there, but that's actually hard to reach. So if I actually continue to follow the pipe here, we've got the meter there, and then right here we've got another shut-off valve. And so this is the one that I am going to use. So to turn off the water, I would just spin it here, and I'll just show you here what that would look like. So I'm just going to spin it here, and it spins a little bit, spin, spin, spin. And you just keep twisting, so it's righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, right? So I'm twisting it, and there. So that is it. So I have successfully now turned off the water. Now what I also did is I took a piece of blue painter's tape, and I wrote here, main water on it. And so that is for anybody else in the house. So maybe I'm not home, and I'm trying to tell my wife where it is. That's super easy to find. It's written right there, and there should be no issues finding it in the future if there's an emergency. So then you do what you need to do. Now, if you are working on something, maybe you're changing some shut-off valves, what you need to do now is actually drain the pipes. So a good way to do that is open a sink or a faucet in the lowest part of your house and the highest part of your house. So in the basement bathroom, open up a faucet. On the upper level, open up a faucet, and just wait a few minutes and let all of the water drain out. Then of course, when you're all done, you're going to turn the water back on. So you would just reverse the process here and go ahead and open it up here. Now this is really good to know. Years ago, I had a water heater that the top seal burst and water just came out. And of course it was a loud kind of explosion sound. It shook the whole house. It woke me up. Of course it happened at 2 o'clock in the morning. Water was just cascading down the water heater. Now that wasn't this one, it was in another house. I was actually renting at the time. But good thing I knew where the shutoff valve was at that time. Just went and turned off the water, and then from there you can kind of clean up and figure out what to do afterwards. And then there's tons of reasons that you could want to turn off your main water. So that's how to do it. Hopefully that was helpful.